Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 1st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. We're on the 4-hour time frame. So the US dollar index has been pushing down very strong, and this move up to me is definitely not really a trend. It's more of a three-wave move. It's like an ABC pattern. If that really is an ABC, then we're either going to make another ABC for like a 3-3 pattern and maybe 5 ways up, or this is going to be a complete trend reversal, and this is just going to make lower lows, lower highs on this time frame. We are obviously approaching a pretty big area of support. Maybe that will cause a decent pullback and give us another opportunity to sort the dollar. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, if it goes up, which it does not have to, and if it breaks structure, the first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move down. Then I would observe the market to see if it makes like an ABC pullback to a Fibonacci level and continues the higher time frame downtrend. Like I said, it doesn't have to break up now. It could go down and take out these lows. It could possibly even continue to make lower lows, lower highs. So I definitely would still be, looking for shorts the dollar, at least until we get like a nice engulfing move to the upside, a nice break of structure on the dollar index. Definitely still bearish the dollar and looking for shorts on the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.